Hi there, welcome back. Episode 10 of Who the Heck is Nat. I am showing you here on the screen the tweets from Pancake Swap showing that on the 16th they did say that they were able to get everything back up and running, that the server was back under their control, and also giving some information on using the correct website. So they do use pancakeswap.finance. Let's see, I'll show you that here. Please ensure you're using the correct DNS, pancakeswap.finance. Also, in their tweets, they state that if you're still getting an error, that you should clear your cache, clear your history. Bear with me, I'll show you that. Here it is. If you're still getting this warning when visiting PancakeSwap, please clear your cache. With that being said, I went back to PancakeSwap yesterday to take a look, test the waters, see if I would be able to make an exchange from BNB to WBNB. Well, in doing that, PancakeSwap was showing that I had a balance for BNB, which was really strange because I wasn't able to see that balance in my wallet, which is why the day before yesterday's video stated that I unfortunately was a victim of the hack. Well, in doing some more research, I in fact was not, which is excellent news, but I feel really silly for telling you folks that I was, for getting upset myself because I wasn't hacked. But a couple of important lessons learned there. One of them being that it's still important to do research, because coincidentally, when I thought I was hacked was the same exact day that PancakeSwap was hacked. So ultimately, I could have had an issue. So the lesson there is always do your current events, your current research. See if that exchange you're going to is doing okay, or has their server been hacked, or does something just not look quite right and maybe you shouldn't use that site. Lucky for me, my money was there, it just wasn't visible. Now that creates a whole nother piece of research that I looked into. So I did find another person that this happened to. And here on Reddit, there's somebody about a month ago that said that they had the same issue, that they swapped BNB for WBNB through Pancake, and they can swap back, but the WBNB balance in their Smart Chain wallet, Binance Chain wallet, it wasn't there. It was showing 0. From what I'm reading, sometimes there can be a delay in the WBNB showing up in your wallet. With that being said, it still shows up in PancakeSwap, and it's still, for me, which I tested, still shows up in elephant.money. So here's elephant.money. And I'm going to connect my wallet. And I was able to successfully deposit WBNB yesterday. And I will show another video showing exactly how to do that. But as you can see here, I deposited 0.9 BNB. Because in depositing 1 BNB, they do take their 10% fee. With that being said, there's a 2% daily drip, and you can withdraw your money at any time. So I will come back to this. I wanted to say the second important lesson that was learned through all of this is that me liking to work in small increments is for good reason. Because given what happened with PancakeSwap, if I was a victim of a hack, I would prefer for it to be less money than the total amount of what I anticipated investing. So let's say I wanted my investment to be $500. in my experience, and what makes me feel comfortable, is to invest maybe $150 or $250 initially, make sure everything goes smoothly, and then once that goes smoothly, invest the difference. All of my videos, as always, are for entertainment purposes only, to show my experience, and they are not meant to be financial advice. Glad I could share my experience with everybody, and I look forward to my next video, which is going to be about depositing in elephant.money, and I'm also going to create another video showing how to send money into an Exodus wallet and exchange for a different form of cryptocurrency. So I look forward to that, and I thank you for joining. Have a good night, a good day, a good morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope it's a good one.